Freeletics Training Coach Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Freeletics are in the description. Freeletics Training Coach is a highly popular AI-powered fitness app designed for those looking to build strength, improve endurance, and develop overall fitness without the need for gym equipment. It's especially ideal for individuals who prefer bodyweight training and high-intensity workouts. Unlike generic fitness apps, Freeletics uses AI to create personalized training plans based on your fitness level, goals, and feedback after each session. Whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or enhance performance, the app adapts dynamically, ensuring progressive and challenging workouts tailored to your abilities. Features. One of the standout features of Freeletics is its AI-driven personalization. The more you use the app, the smarter it gets, adjusting difficulty, duration, and intensity based on your progress. The workout library is extensive, including bodyweight HIIT workouts, running programs, and even mindset coaching to help with motivation. The app offers structured training journeys that last several weeks, providing clear progression and guidance. It also includes instructional videos for each exercise, ensuring proper form and technique. Another benefit is the ability to work out anytime, anywhere, since most workouts require little to no equipment. There's also a social aspect. Users can connect with the Freeletics community, share progress, and compete in challenges for extra motivation. Strengths. Freeletics is excellent for those who prefer flexible, equipment-free workouts. The AI-driven customization is a major plus, making it feel like you have a personal trainer adapting workouts specifically for you. The workout intensity is high, making it great for burning fat, building endurance, and improving functional strength. The structured training journeys provide clear goals, helping users stay consistent. The app's video demonstrations are high quality and easy to follow, reducing the risk of improper form. Additionally, the mindset coaching feature helps with motivation, setting it apart from many other fitness apps. Weaknesses. Despite its strengths, Freeletics has a few drawbacks. The free version is quite limited, offering only a small selection of workouts, while the full experience requires a subscription. The AI customization, while effective, may sometimes push workouts that feel too challenging or repetitive for some users. Unlike apps that offer live coaching, Freeletics lacks real-time trainer interaction, which might be a downside for those who prefer direct guidance. Additionally, while bodyweight training is great for most people, advanced lifters who prefer weight training may find the workouts insufficient for their needs. Final verdict. Freeletics Training Coach is one of the best AI-driven fitness apps for those who want an intense, structured, and equipment-free workout experience. Its adaptive training system, wide variety of workouts, and strong community support make it a solid choice for anyone looking to get in shape on their own terms. However, its reliance on a paid subscription and lack of real-time coaching may not suit everyone. If you're committed to bodyweight training and want a flexible, high-intensity fitness solution, Freeletics is a great investment.